Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric scooter AliExpress. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, FLJ. The FLJ H10 has been built to a high standard and is very reliable. The H10 comes with a new design with added features to enhance the performance and improve the mechanism of the scooter. This scooter also comes with 11-inch pneumatic off-road tires which are puncture-proof, and with a powerful 6,000-watt dual motor it makes the H10 perfect for hitting those high speed on an off-road adventure or tackling various types of terrain. Loaded with a 60-volt 35 to 40 ampere-hour battery which gives you the ability to travel for a distance of up to 80 kilometers on a full charge, you will not be disappointed. You have the ability to choose between different speed modes using a key to start your FLJ H10. The H10 comes equipped with front LED light and safety warning tail lights as well as front and rear shock absorption for a smoother ride across bumpier roads. Number 4. Brand name, InMotion. 10-inch tubeless pneumatic tires for an enhanced ride quality. The L9 incorporates a dual braking system with an electromagnetic regenerative brake on the front and a disc brake on the rear for added safety. Dual suspension, widened deck and 10-inch pneumatic tires make the L9 a very comfortable e-scooter to ride on smooth and uneven surfaces. The 500-watt motor and powerful battery also allow to climb hills of up to 30 degrees, which is really steep. It can accept power from up to 2 chargers at once, letting you spend less time stuck at the outlet and more time out on the pavement. Built-in turn signals that activate when you lean and a safety system that prevents the accelerator from activating when you are folding it. Despite this sizable battery, charging is a quick 3.6 hours when you use a second charger and the additional charging port. With a single charger, the charging time is 7.2 hours. Braking feels good when riding at speed, and initial braking is quite strong due to activation of the regenerative brake. The folding mechanism is quite nice and even innovative. It has a safety feature that requires you to push a metal button before folding. This prevents accidental folding when riding. When locked into place, the handlebars feel solid with no wobble. With an unrivaled range, a fast charger, and a smooth and comfortable ride. Number 3. Brand name, FLJ. It is compact and has a 10-inch pair of wheels. It folds in the blink of an eye and slides under a desk or in a cupboard without any problem. 1200 watt for a maximum speed of 50 km per hour, allowing it to climb slopes of up to 45 degrees. Designed with high-quality materials. The main and carrier material, an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, has the following characteristics: low density, high strength, excellent thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance. 30 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery allows a range of 40 kilometers. The ultra-resistant aluminum chassis combined with anti-corrosion treatment. Our electric scooters allow this model to ride in a light rain because of the electronics. It is not yet possible to ride under water spouts. If you are looking for performance, durability, safety, you might be interested in FLJ C11 electric scooter. This is an amazing scooter. Its frame is made of aluminum alloy which is very durable. Number 2. Brand name, FLJ. The FLJ electric scooter has a maximum speed of 52.8 miles per hour and a range of up to 93.2 miles. The 60-volt 40-ampere-hour battery powers the dual 3,000-watt motors and takes 8 to 10 hours to charge. Electric scooter, while being able to travel at speeds of 85 kilometers per hour, it can take you up to 150 kilometers in a single charge. And with its front hydraulic suspension, double rear suspension, 13-inch road tires, sturdy aluminum alloy frame, and dual-disc oil brake, you will arrive at your destination safely and in comfort. If for some reason the 150 kilometers journey this machine can provide is not enough, you can easily fold it away into a boot of a car or to carry it onto public transport. The maximum range per charge is specified by the manufacturer at 120 to 150 kilometers, and the scooter manages the hill with the ascent up 45 degrees. Good suspension also contributes to a comfortable ride. You will find a robust fork at the front and a shock absorber at the rear. There is also no lighting. There is a white headlight in the front and a red brake light in the back. You will even find signposts here. There is a display on the handlebars, which you can recognize from other similar scooters. Displays driving information such as current speed, range and remaining battery capacity. The scooter is suitable for any terrain, as it is equipped with wide 13-inch wheels. Good suspension also contributes to a comfortable ride. You will find a robust fork at the front and a shock absorber at the rear. There is also no lighting. There is a white headlight in the front and a red brake light in the back. You will even find signposts here. There is a display on the handlebars, which you can recognize from other similar scooters. Displays driving information such as current speed, range and remaining battery capacity. Number 1. Brand name, HF. 11-inch off-road tire, shock absorption helps you move forward steadily. From 0 km per hour to 50 km per hour, it only takes 7 seconds to push back strongly. Front and rear double-disc brake with electric anti-lock braking system breaker, keep you safe to ride power recovery system. The power with the 2 electric motors is extraordinary. In some ribs it takes the 2 engines. The scooter is just a gun race. Heavy and very large, hardly raised,